People can't buy from you if they don't understand your offer in the first 5 seconds. I'm serious about this. Your messaging is probably too clever. You're using industry jargon, vague benefits, and abstract language that makes sense to you but confuses your prospects. I reviewed a company's website last week. Their headline was Synergistic Solutions for Enterprise Scale Digital Transformation. Nobody knew what they sold. We rewrote it to cut your data processing time in half. Boom, clarity wins. Your marketing is failing because people can't figure out what you actually do or why they should care. Stop being clever, be clear. Use simple words. Show the before and after. Explain the exact problem you solve. When someone lands on your page or watches your video, they should understand your offer without having to think. That's when conversions happen. Yes, that's exactly when conversions happen. Can you explain your offer in one sentence? If not, that's your first problem to fix.